MediLisk Hearing Restoration Spray claims to be a gentle, natural solution that keeps your ears clean and comfortable while helping reduce earwax buildup. It's made for sensitive ears with a safe, chemical-free formula you can use easily at home. But is it really legit? Let's find out together. The first positive sign is that it ranks 82nd in earwax removal products on Amazon. That means quite a few people are checking it out, and it's getting noticed. So clearly, there's some interest in this product. Another good thing? Some users say it works really well to clean their ears and maintain hygiene. Yes, a few have had issues with the spray being messy, but many still find it helpful. So results can depend on how you use it. Now, talking about product quality, customers are mixed here too. Some love it, saying it's effective, easy to use, and reasonably priced. Just a few sprays, and you're done. But others have been disappointed. Some mention leaks, and a few doctors even advise caution. What about hearing loss? Again, experiences vary. Some users noticed reduced ringing in their ears, or even better hearing in one ear. But for those with severe hearing issues, it didn't make much difference. So, is MediLisk Hearing Restoration Spray legit? Well, it's moderately popular and can help with ear hygiene and mild ear discomfort. It's gentle and natural, which is great for sensitive ears. But if you're hoping for a guaranteed solution for hearing loss, don't rely on it entirely. That's it for today. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and updates.